Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning Fun with Aastha. So friends, today's topic is very interesting. So the topic for today is parts of the eye. So parts of the eye. Eye is a sense organ that help us to see around what is there. Okay, so eyes help us to see the world around us. A pair of eyes is present within the eye sockets of the skull. Okay, so without wasting our time, let us learn some important and the main parts of the eye. So, these are the parts of the eye. Okay, so let's study about the parts of the eye. So the first part is the cornea. What's the cornea? The cornea, you can see here, you can just see this is the cornea. Cornea, it is a thin transparent layer that covers the front of the eye. Alright, this is the cornea. Here you can see it's a thin layer which is out of the eye that covers the front of the eye. It is in the front of the eye. It covers the front of the eye. Here you can see it is a thin transparent, very thin layer, right? Then let us go to the next part. Okay, so the next part comes the iris. What's the iris? The iris is the round colored part of the eye present behind the cornea. Okay, this is a round round, you can see here, it's a round shaped. It's in round shape. Here you can see, right, semicircle. So it is a round shaped and colored part. Okay, it's a colored part. When we see that we have a colored part in our eye. So that's the iris. Alright. So you can see this is the iris. Then we have pupil. Pupil is the opening present at the center of the iris. Light enters the eye through the pupil. Alright, so the pupil is the opening. It is the opening. Here you can see it is the opening which is present at the center. It is present in the center of the eye. Alright, of the iris. Okay, not the eye. It is present in the center of the iris. Alright, light enters the eye through the pupil. Okay, whenever we see any light, the light enters in our eye through the pupil. Alright, so then comes the lens. What's the lens? Here you can see. Let us just see the confusion. Okay, I also had a confusion that what is this? Is this a pupil or is this the lens? So the inside part is the lens, and the opening of the this lens, or the opening of the it is the opening present at the center of the iris. It is present in the center of the iris. It's the opening. Okay, this is the pupil here. Okay, then we have lens. Okay, lens is this whole part. This whole part is the a lens. Okay, lens. So you can see it's the lens. Then after the lens we have a part called, okay, wait, lens. What are the functions of the lens? We just forgot that. The functions will tell, but it is just located just behind the pupil. Here you see, it's located just behind the pupil, right? Pupil is here and the lens is there, right? And what's the function? It helps to focus on the light. Okay, whenever we see any light, if means our lens is not working properly, then we would not be able to focus on the light. All right, so its function is to help to focus on the light. Then we have another part called the retina. Okay, retina. What's the retina? So retina is the lining. Here you see it's a lining, right? I have drawn a lining. It's a lining which is present behind the eye. It is present behind, okay? Behind the eye where light falls and images form. Whenever any light any light falls on the eye, the retina forms the images, okay? Its function is to form the images when light is fall, okay, on the eye. Then we have optic nerves. Here you see that optic nerve, okay? Here's the optic nerve, okay? The optic nerve, messages sent from the retina is carried to the brain by the optic nerve, okay? Okay, so what is the function of the optic nerve? Optic nerve is a simple nerve, but what is its work? What is its work? So its work is to send messages from the retina, from this retina to the brain, okay, to the brain, okay, from itself, okay. So it sends the messages from the retina to the brain by what sends it? The optic nerve, okay. So let's revise once again. This is the iris, this is the cornea, it's the pupil, it's the lens, and the retina, and the optic nerve. So I hope you all understand the parts of the eye. It's just very easy topic in science. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and like the hit button. Please subscribe my channel. Share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe and like my video. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.